Our toilet fill valve has started showing its age and is making this high-pitched humming sound whenever the toilet fills up. I picked up the Danco HC630 for its easy installation and water-saving features. Installation was a breeze. The instructions were easy to follow, and the fill valve comes with some additional features to help you along the way, such as a smart nut that can be simply hand tightened without the fear of over-tightening and the easy height adjustment. So if it's time for you to replace your old toilet fill valve, definitely give this product some consideration.